Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 or Warzone not launching on the Xbox. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is click on the Xbox logo on your controller, head over to Profile and System, and then go down to Sign Out. So go ahead and just sign out of your account and then sign back in. And once you do that, go back to first check to see if that fixes the issue. If that does not fix the issue, the second method you guys can try doing is head over to Settings. From Settings, I want you guys to go to Account and then go to Remove Accounts. Remove account, go ahead and add your account back in. It's a little bit similar to the first step, but anyways, once you do that, check to see if that fixes the issue as well. And the third method you guys can do is go over to Network Settings from General. And then from Network Settings, you're going to scroll all the way down to Advanced Settings. And then from here, you're going to choose the primary and secondary DNS options. And you're basically going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now, once you go ahead and do that, I do recommend restarting your console. And once you turn it back on, you should see that the error code has gone and you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.